In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make an infinite rotation in a Figma prototype. So say you've got an image or an asset and you just want it to spin continuously while a prototype is running, this is the way to do it. We start by turning our image into a component. So that's Command Option K if you're on a Mac, Command D to duplicate it, and then we'll just take the main component off the canvas. Now over here you can see this button, a little diamond with a plus in it. That's Add Variant. So we're just going to add 4 variants, 3, 4, and each of these is going to be a different state of rotation. Now what's important here is when you're rotating it, not to rotate the actual outer variant, but to go in and rotate the thing inside of it. So I'm going to do -90, 180, and I'm just clicking enter to get one layer down, and then the last one will be 90. And now I'll go to prototype mode and I'm going to connect up these variants. This makes something called an interactive component where all of the prototype action is happening in the main component, and so any instances get that for free. So I'm just going to connect all of these. What you'll see is that that's made the trigger on click by default, and what we want is to set that to after delay 1 millisecond. And then action, change to variant 2, that's fine. And then animation, instead of instant, we're going to have smart animate. And that means that it's going to automatically animate any different properties, in this case, the rotation. And what we want to do is make sure that there's no easing. So you can see here an example of what the easing looks like. If we just set it to linear, that means that they'll all flow smoothly. Now I'm going to bump this up to 500 milliseconds, so that means in total, one full spin will take 2 seconds. So remember that, you want to divide it by 4 for the total length of that one full rotation, and that's what the duration here should be. Once we've set that, I'm going to do this for the next variant, and you'll see that all of the settings have stayed the same in terms of the animation. So it's still smart animate, linear, duration 500 milliseconds, but it's defaulted to on click. So we want that to be after delay 1 millisecond. So 2 more times, after delay 1 millisecond, and then up here. So now if we take a look at our flow and click play, we can see that the animation just happens and it will spin infinitely rotationally. So that's how you make a really quick, simple, rotational, infinite looping animation in a Figma prototype. Thanks for watching.